This video shows how to buy shares of Garden Stage Ltd, a company focused on smart greenhouse and controlled environment agriculture listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GSIW. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To trade GSIW, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GSIW to locate Garden Stage Ltd. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and the correct company name to ensure it is the right stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Check the company profile and NASDAQ label to confirm you have the correct Garden Stage Ltd listing. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. The platform will show the estimated cost and any fees. If the market is closed, your order may become pending until the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.